Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in Mostbet. This is very easy, but before we continue, I invite you to create a professional Mostbet account, and to do this you will click on register. Next you are going to enter all your information, and at the promo code section you are going to enter the promo code SANU. By using this promo code you will get 300% bonus, so if you top up your account with $50 you will get $150. Now you are simply going to create an accumulator on which you are going to place as many matches as possible, but you have to fulfill a minimum condition of creating a match of creating an accumulator with at least 5 events and each having an odd of at least 1.4. so once this is done, you'll be able to place the bet including your bonus money. So once your bonus money is included, you are simply going to place a bet on it, and next. Now, once this bet has won, you are going to receive all of the money, including the bonus money you have got, directly into your main account, and you'll be able to use it as you wish. And it's as simple as that.